Hi students, just wanted to provide you with a quick tutorial for this writing assignment. It should be pretty straightforward, but again, just in case this is helpful, just in case you need a little guidance in any way, here is the file that I've attached to the assignment. So you're going to want to download and open this file, and from there you're going to want to read these 3 sample papers. And so these are papers that I've picked. Some are better than others. Just want you to get a sense of the sort of work that sometimes gets turned in for assignments like this, get a sense of what's good, a sense of what's bad, get a sense of how I'm going to grade these assignments. So I want you to read through each of the papers, and then at the end of each paper you'll see that I've included the rubric. Now this is exactly the same rubric that I'm going to use to grade your papers later in the semester. So I want you to use this assignment to get familiar with the rubric. Think about what I'm going to be looking for when it comes to grading your papers. Think about what these students did well and what they did poorly. I'm not going to go through every aspect of the rubric now. If you want to learn a little bit more about that, you should watch the help video that I've provided about the papers. But basically, when you get to this point, I just want you to highlight the section of the rubric that you think corresponds to the paper. And students always ask with the effort section, how do I know that these papers were turned in on time? Well, for this assignment, you can assume that they are. So I just want you to highlight the section and then highlight it in yellow, and then move on to the next section. And basically, for each of these papers, I want you to grade each of the 10 sections just like that. Just highlight it so that I can see that you've gone through and completed it. Add any comments that you want to, and then I will look through the paper. Hope that's helpful. If you have any other questions about this assignment, don't hesitate to ask me. Thanks.